In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a page in Microsoft Word. Splitting a page is a great way to organize content, reduce the number of printed pages, and make long documents easier to read. We'll walk through two practical methods, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so you can choose the approach that fits your document. Let's start with the Layout option, which is the most straightforward. Open your document and head to the Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Page Setup group, click Columns. From the drop-down, pick how many sections you want on the page. Choosing 2 will split your page evenly into 2 parts, perfect for side-by-side content. If you need more, you can select 3 or even 4 columns, and Word will distribute them across the page. If you want finer control over how those columns look, click More Columns in the same menu. This opens a window where you can customize the width of each column and the spacing between them so your text doesn't feel cramped. While you're in the Layout tab, you can also use the Breaks option to insert page breaks or section breaks. This is useful when you want different parts of your document to use different layouts, or when you want a clean start for your columns on a new section. Now let's look at an alternative that gives you precise control over alignment and spacing using tables. Go to the Insert tab and click Table. Choose the number of columns you want. For a simple 2-section split, select 1 row and 2 columns. Word will insert a table that you can treat like separate content areas. To adjust the size, use the resize handle in the bottom right corner of the table to extend it to the length you need. You can also reposition the table by dragging the move icon that appears at the top left corner. For more detailed adjustments, right-click inside the table and select Table Properties. Here, you can set exact heights and widths, change alignment, and refine how your content fits inside each cell. After you've added your content, the page might still look like a grid. To create a clean split page look, remove the visible borders while keeping the structure. Go to Table Design, select all the text inside the table, click Borders, and choose No Border. Your content will stay in place, but the lines will disappear. That's it. Using columns or tables, you can split a page in a way that suits your layout. If this video helped, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials.